Okay, I said I wanted to go back and show you a couple of things on Desmos. Can't remember which one I did first, but I'm going to go over here to Desmos. So I copied down x squared plus 6x plus 8. X squared plus 6x plus 8. So I copied this quadratic right here. Let's see if I can highlight it. I copied this one and I put it on to Desmos. This is the one I copied. Thought it would be a lot bigger. Let's make it bigger. So this is the one that I copied. I put it right over here on Desmos. And remember the answers that we got? We got x equals -2 and x equals -4. So I want to show you over here, where is this parabola crossing the x-axis? It's crossing it at -2 and it's crossing it at -4. So these two x values are the same as what we solved right here. So that's why when I said over here somewhere that we could call them solutions or roots or zeros or x-intercepts, that's why, because this is where they cross the x-axis. I think I did this one too. So you see right here we have 4x plus 12x plus 9. I copied that right here, 4x plus 12x plus 9. So I'm going to turn this one off and I'm going to turn that one on. And right here, it's not crossing the x-axis, but it's touching the x-axis at -1.5. So the fact that it comes down here, hits the x-axis and bounces off rather than crossing it, that's why it's a double root. Double roots bounce where single roots cross. So single roots cross, double roots bounce. So that's how we know that that's a double root. And -1.5 is the same value as -3 divided by 2. And I think -3 divided by 2. See, they tell you right here that the answer is -1.5. Okay, so that was that one. Let's see, I did another one. I did the x squared. Which one did I do? Oh, this one, x squared plus 8x minus 9. Our answers were 1 and -9. So you can see that this one goes the minimum value goes down very far down here, but you can see that that's -9 and that's 1. And that matches what we got right here, -9 and 1. So that's why those are called x-intercepts. This one, 5x squared plus 2x plus 3. I think that's one that I did over here. There it is. Took this one right here, 5x squared plus 2x minus 3. I took that problem, put it on here. We got the answers to be -1 and 3/5. If we check this one out, let me put this back. We have -1 and 3/5 is 0.6. If you're not sure, 3 divided by 5 is 0.6. So we can see right there that 3/5 is 0.6. Okay, I did want to show you that the original problem that we had up here was 5x squared plus 2x equals 3. And then we set it equal to 0. Well, if you go back and you put this part right here on one equation, and you put this one right here on a second equation, so you can see right here, I put just that part, and then right here, and if you makes you feel better, we can put y equals right there also. So we put one y value, this one right here, and the next one we put it right here. Turn this one on and turn this one on. And where do they intersect? But they intersect where the x value is -1 and they intersect where the x value is 0.6. So even though we're talking about our y values are different, if you turn this one back on, the x-intercepts are at -1 and the place where these two intersect are at -1. This x-axis this x-intercept right here is 0.6, and the place where these two intersect is 0.6. So you can get the answer either way. You can get the answer by setting these two, graphing both sides of the equal sign, or you can just set it equal to 0 and then find where it crosses the x-axis. We got the same answer both ways.